Hey guys, we are almost at the end of January and I finally got one of the items off of my wish list for this year. It is right here in my lap, so if you want to see what it is, just keep watching. Hey sis, my name is Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we talk about luxury and contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that interest you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But let's get into it. We're unboxing my very first wish list item from 2024. And as you guys can see from the box, it is from Dooney. So all of the items on my list this year were either from Dooney or Coach. So it won't be too many surprises in terms of wish list unboxings. You guys pretty much know what I'm looking to pick up this year. It's just a matter of the order that the items are gonna fall in. So, and how quickly I'll get everything, and if I get everything, you know, I'm not going to consider 2024 a failure if I don't get everything that's on this first wish list because, you know, I'm going to give myself permission to change my mind, especially if that means spending less money. So, but anyway, guys, this is one of the items that I had mentioned was difficult to find, and it's kind of an item that's on the list, but not quite. So I had mentioned that one of the items that I wanted to get this year was the Greta zip crossbody in the navy color. And I believe I showed a clip of Indubitably Sanice when she unboxed it because she actually purchased it a couple of years ago and it's no longer available. Well, they actually had this particular silhouette on sale and it was in a color that I've been wanting to get, and so I decided to get it even though it wasn't the exact item. It's close enough, where I will be thoroughly satisfied, and also it came with an additional item, so that was an added bonus. So the item that I picked up was the zip crossbody with the small coin case, and I got it in the color jeans. So let's get into here and see what it's looking like. So guys, as I stated in my wish list video, this silhouette to me is just a classic Dooney. I love it, love it, and I've always wanted a crossbody in this silhouette. And when I finally decided that I liked the Greta print, I wanted it in the Greta, especially after remembering how it looked when Indubitably Sanice unboxed hers. But as I stated, the Greta's not available right now. Not that it won't ever come back, but there's another crossbody that I'm also interested in the Greta print, and I wanted in Ivy. So I figured if I didn't get this one, then I could definitely get the other one in the Greta print because it's still available right now. But now that I've got this wrapping off, let's just take a look at this strap. So this strap is pretty long, and it's a 3-part strap. Cool. So yeah, it looks like it can be worn as a crossbody or a short shoulder bag. So that's an awesome thing about this particular handbag. I don't remember that in Sanice's unboxing. But let me get this box out the way and get inside of here. So I noticed there's no card. I don't know why all of a sudden I'm obsessing over things that aren't included. There's no card that says what number this was out of the batch. But this particular piece I got for $99, y'all. So you can see why it was a great deal. And here is the... Get this off of here. The coin pouch that comes with it. So guys, Y'all know I've been saying I wanted to step up my game with the SLGs. And so I was really excited to find a deal like this where I could get the matching coin pouch with the bag. So, and in the color jeans, this is about as close as I'm coming to denim right now. You know, the denim is offered in the Florentine leather. And there's a whole other video about my pursuit of a handbag in that particular color. But this is about as close to jeans, to denim as you can get in the other Dooney leather. So this is the color jeans. And you all know what the coin pouch looks like. It's got the little pocket on the back. You've got the, you know, open on the inside with the key attachment. And then you have the little zipper in front. So these by themselves can run upwards of like $60, $70. So to be able to get this and this for $99, I thought was a steal. And of course it does come with the dust bag. Let's move this stuff so we can get on the inside. So if you get to the inside of the bag, you see it does have the key keeper. And this particular bag has, on the back wall, you've got the zip pocket above the Dooney patch. And on the front wall, there's the large slip pocket. And then there is just the open center compartment. Really simple layout. Nice size bag. I'll be able to fit quite a bit in here. And I'll use this coin pouch as my wallet, because this is large enough to fit cards, coins, you know, and cash. So I'll use this as my wallet so that I don't have to have another wallet or SLG in here. And then I'll be able to fill it up with whatever else I want to put in. So this is it, guys. This is the zip crossbody in the pebbled leather in the color jeans. I really like, again, the silhouette, and we talked about it. Sanisa and I talked about it a couple of weeks ago. She was mentioning how she didn't really like the trim. She doesn't really like this, but I really think it works on this particular bag and in this silhouette, even in the pebble or the Greta. I just really like it in this silhouette. But I also want to give a shout out to Simply D, because she is the one, she actually sent me a DM on IG. And I had already been eyeing this bag, and I was kind of on the fence on whether or not I was going to get it, because I had said I wanted this particular silhouette in Greta. But the fact that it came with the coin case had me really reconsidering getting something else in the Greta print and getting this. And so I had it in my cart, but I was kind of like, I hadn't pulled the trigger on it yet. And then Simply D sent me a message on IG and was like, hey sis, here's that silhouette you've been looking for. And I think her message was confirmation that I needed to go ahead and get it. So that's what I did. So this is it, guys. I'm really happy with my first purchase, and also with the fact that it was only $99. So I'm going to give you guys some mod shots just so you can see what it will look like on me. So I will be back in just a second. So now that I've got all of the wrapping off of the shoulder strap, let's just get a closer look at this strap. So it looks like there is like a brown Timoro or black colored glazing that goes along the strap. Very simple. I don't see any stitching. There's no stitching or anything on this leather strap. There is one keeper or holder on either end. And of course, as I mentioned, this is a 3-part strap, so you can remove the centerpiece to wear this as a short shoulder bag if you wanted to. Now there is stitching here on the actual bag and at the parts of the strap that attach to the bag. You can see stitching there. You can see stitching on the sides, and then you can see the stitching that goes along the top of the bag. And it's not the gold color that Dooney normally uses. It's more of a cream. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but it's more of a cream color. There are no feet on the bottom. And then, of course, you have the Dooney plaque right there on front. So all in all, this is a great bag, and at the price, I just think it was an excellent buy. So I don't even feel guilty about purchasing it. So this is it, guys. This is my first wish list purchase for 2024. And again, this is the Dooney & Bourke zip crossbody in the pebbled leather in the color jeans. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and comment down below. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I upload new videos. And until the time we see each other, take care. Bye.